One of the most high impact things you can do to actually increase your conversion rates on your texts is by simply adding video. So I wanted to do a quick video to show you exactly how that works inside of your command center. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to a contact record inside of my command center. I'm simply going to go to the SMS. I'm going to go and click on the box wrap. I'm going to type in whatever text it is. Hi, John. Here is whatever message that you want to convey. Then to go ahead and add the video, you simply click attach file. And then right here, click on media storage. Now, once you're inside of media storage, you can open up any folder. You can literally do it right from here. I'm just going to go and put mine, let's say under social media posting. Then I'm going to go and click on upload. Right, so you could select, I could absolutely select one of these videos, but maybe if you're doing one custom for a client, like talking about their name or whatever, then you go ahead and upload that one. Click on upload, upload file, then select the video that you just recorded. It's going to take just a second to go ahead and upload. This is probably a 1.5 minute long video. It'll probably take about 20-30 seconds to upload there. Okay, then once it uploads, simply click on it, and then click on Insert File. Go ahead and send the message, it's ready. And then from here, I'll show you what it looks like actually on the cell phone, but it brings up a nice tap here for a preview. And then once they bring up the preview, they can actually see the beginning of the video, and it plays directly inside of their phone's carrier's texting system. So anyways, hope that helps. And again, if you really want to increase the conversion rate of your text, these personal texts that you can send out are really powerful. You can now do it inside of your texting system, inside of the command center. Hope that helps. If you have any other questions, let me know. Thanks.